Hey guys, Mrs. Klein here. This is May. We're already in May. I can hardly believe it. May, week 5, the way that they have the May packets, they continue counting from April. So even though it's the first week of May, on the packet, it's going to say week 5. So May, week 5, day 1. For those of you who have the story, let me pull it up here. An owl is a bird. And technically, you guys who have this packet, this story, you only have to read 2 passages a week and answer the questions. And then you guys need to do one of the other practice sheets every single day. So I will post the reading passages on day 1 and 2, but you guys can decide which day to do those. Okay. So this is an owl is a bird. An owl is a kind of bird. It hunts for other animals to eat. It likes to hunt at night. Some parts of an owl's body help it hunt. An owl has big eyes. It can see well in the dark. An owl's wings have soft feathers. They let an owl fly quietly. An owl can turn its head almost all the way around. That helps it find animals. An owl has sharp claws. They help the owl catch small animals. An owl has a strong beak. The beak helps it carry its food. Okay. That brings us to our questions. Let's see how we do. What kind of animal is an owl? A reptile. B, a bird. C, a mammal. I'm going to let you guys answer that one all on your own because I know that you can. Okay, question 2. The passage describes how an owl hunts for food. When do owls hunt for food? A, during the day. B, at night and during the day. Or C, at night. Now, if we go up and look in our passage, it told us right away. It says, an owl is a kind of bird. It hunts for other animals to eat. It likes to hunt at night. So we know on question 2, when it says, when do owls hunt for food? We can circle at night. Okay, good job. Okay, question number 3. An owl has body parts that can help it hunt in the dark. Which information shows that this is true? So in the dark, it's really dark. What do they have that can help them hunt? A, an owl has big eyes that can help see well in the dark. B, an owl is a kind of bird. Or C, an owl hunts for other animals to eat. Good job, you guys. That one's almost silly, the answers that they gave. An owl has big eyes which help it see in the dark. Good job. Okay, question 4. What is an owl is a bird mainly about? So what is it mostly about? A, what owls eat. B, how an owl hunts. Or C, what owls do when they are awake. I'm going to let you guys do that one on your own too. Good job. Okay, question number 5 says, what body parts help owls catch and carry the small animals that they eat for food? Okay, we're going to actually go back up into our passage to make sure that we know, because it talked about a lot of body parts for the owl and how it helps them hunt. We want to know which one helps the owl catch and carry the small animals that they eat. So let's go back up into our passage. Okay, let's kind of skim and see. The eyes help it see well in the dark. The wings are soft feathers quietly. Its head turns all the way around so it can find animals. Sharp claws. They help the owl catch small animals. And it says the owl has a strong beak. The beak helps it carry its food. So the claws help it catch the small animals, and the beak helps it carry its food. Let's go ahead and write that. So the owls, whoops, I didn't capitalize the, sorry. There we go. The owl's claws help it catch small animals. The owl's beak, or what did it say? Ah, yeah, strong beak. It sounded odd to me for some reason, but that's what it says. Okay, the owl's strong beak helps it carry small, or helps it carry the food. Okay. The owl's claws help it catch the small animal. The owl's strong beak helps it carry. Okay, I just brushed it up a little bit because I want you guys to make sure that you guys can read it the right way. I'm going to move this so you guys can read it. Obviously, you guys can write it on your lines the right way. I want you guys to make sure you have capital letters. Watch your spacing. Don't write gigantic. Okay, put your end marks at the end, put the periods at the end. Good job. You guys can pause this if you want to get caught up on the writing. I'm going to go ahead and move on to question number 6. What did you learn from An Owl is a Bird? So what did you learn from this story that we just read, this passage? And guess what? This is one of the ones that Mrs. Klein is going to make you do all on your own. I will get you started, but then you guys are going to come up with what you learned. So you will say, I learned, I'm going to put a bunch of dots, blank from An Owl is Bird. Okay, where I put all the dots, that's where you're going to put what you learned. And it's going to be longer than the dots that I put. It might be like five words long or 4 words long or something like that, okay? So what did you learn when you read An Owl is a Bird? Go ahead and do that all on your own. I think that's it for the questions for this. Let's double check. Yes, it is. Later this week, we're going to read A Butterfly's Life. So I look forward to reading that with you guys. All right, I will talk to you later. Love and hugs. Bye.